Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am creating this trending celebrity makeup look. In Bollywood, this makeup look has become the most trending makeup look because I have seen many celebrity like Janvi, Ananya and Alia Bhatt doing the same makeup and hair look. Therefore, I thought why not I should create a tutorial on this. In this tutorial you're gonna see all the steps and all the techniques what I have done, and I must say you're gonna learn something from my video, so stay tuned. The first step of the makeup is toning. So instead of toner I'm using rose water. It works as toner as well. And next I'm applying the most hydrating moisturizer, and this moisturizer works as primer as well. If you are applying this moisturizer, then you don't need to apply any primer on your face. Next I'm using my under eye cream because my under eye area is quite dry, so to make it hydrating I oftenly use it. If you want to skip this step you can. Not everyone apply the under eye cream. Lip balm for hydration. Next I'm using strop cream because the secret of the celebrity makeup look is strop cream. They always use strop cream before applying the foundation, and also they mix it with the foundation. You can use in both way. Next I'm taking my dewy finish foundation and I'm gonna take just 2 pump of it. I know you guys are thinking about the color correction because I have not done any color correction on my face. See, I don't have any pigmentation and dark circles on my face, and I'm using a full coverage of foundation. If some area is needed, it will cover it up. After applying your foundation, spray some setting spray for hydration, and also it will help you to blend your foundation nicely. I applied a very thin layer of foundation. Blend your foundation nicely, and do not forget to apply the foundation on your neck area. Your face and your neck should be look the same, and also blend towards your hairline to make it more natural. So next I'm using concealer. It's a one shade lighter concealer. I'm using it on my under eye area to highlight my under eye little bit. For eye base I'm using another shade. It's a same skin matching shade. I use very little amount of it, blending it to get a perfect base for my shadow. Now I'm using translucent powder to set my under eye and on my eye base to avoid creases. Also setting my base with translucent powder to avoid any patch or creases. It's very important. Okay, so next applying some extra translucent powder on my under eye area to avoid any fallout. Okay, so my base is almost done, and now we will do the eye makeup, but first we will do the eyebrows. For eyebrows I'm using this brow shadow palette. I'm taking the dark brown shadow for the eyebrows. You can also use a brow pencil and brow gel, whatever you have, apply it. Eyebrows are done, and now let's do the eye makeup. For eyes I'm using this rose palette. It has all the colors which I need for the eye makeup. First I'm taking this pinkish brown shade for the outer corner. For this kind of eye makeup use only single shade in a outer corner and blend it nicely upward. You will get the same result as you have seen in the pictures. Taking this golden shimmer shadow for inner corner, I'm using flat brush And first, take the shadow and start tapping. Do not drag or start blending. First, place the shadow nicely and then we will blend it. When you apply your shimmer shadow, keep in mind that never cross your crease line. Keep it below the crease line. You can keep it till the crease line, but do not cross the crease line because we need some blending area. Blend the outer line of your shadow to get a natural finish. Eye makeup is not done yet, so now we have to highlight the inner corner and brow bone area. I'm using this another shadow palette. It has all the golden shades, basically soft shades which I need for the highlighting. I'm using this golden highlighter shade. I'm applying it on my inner corners. Always use the same shadow for inner corners and for the brow bone area. And now we will do the drop shadow. For drop shadow, I'm using the same brown shadow which I used on my upper lid's outer corner. Eye makeup looks so dull without eyeliner, so today we will apply a very thin smudge eyeliner. I'm gonna apply it just above my lash line, a very thin eyeliner. Okay, so let's do the liner. Gel liners are the perfect liner for the blending purpose. So taking a very small amount of liner and just applying it on my lash line using a very tiny brush. As you can see, I'm also applying it on my waterline. It's a transfer proof waterproof liner. So next, taking this black matte shadow for smudging, so I'm just applying it above the black gel liner. First deposit it and then start blending. I'm using another flat tiny brush for blending because I want a very precise and a thin liner. I don't want to thick liners, so I'm using a very small brush for blending. You can use any fluffy brush, whatever you have. Eye makeup is done. Now we will do the contour and blush. But first I'm taking a clean brush to clean whatever falls out on my cheeks. For cheeks, I'm using only powder products. Contouring my cheekbone. I'm keeping it very, natural. Natural. I'm not gonna do anything overdone. Contouring my nose perfectly. And now I'm using this blush. It's a beautiful combo of blush and highlighter, but I will also use highlighter because this look need more glow. For to add that extra glow, I will also use the highlighter. And today I'm going to introduce my favorite highlighter. So one of my friend has suggested me about this highlighter, so finally I bought it and today I'm gonna unboxing it in front of you guys. So first time I'm gonna use it. Let's see how the results come. I really love the packaging of this highlighter, and the shade is champagne shade. It's a perfect champagne golden shade and it goes with all skin tone. Let's apply and now see the result. Wow, it's really so dewy and glowing. Wow, look at my face, it's adding so much glow on my makeup. Never use your fingertips for highlighter application. Use a small fluffy brush like I'm using in this video, and highlighter blending is very important because highlighter tends to give you a patch very easily. So whenever you're applying your highlighter, try to give some extra time to blend it. Base is done, and again I'm gonna set it with setting spray to add more life to my makeup. Let's finish my eye makeup with mascara. It's a last step of eye makeup. So now let's achieve those perfect glossy nude lips. First, I'm using a nude pencil, and guys, product details and product codes I will share in description box. So make sure after watching this video you go on my description box and check all the details, all the name of the products. I will mention everything. I'm using two lip shades. First shade is quite brownish nude, and second one is quite light. So I'm using both colors to get the perfect shade, which we have seen in the pictures. On top of it, I'm applying my clear transparent gloss. It has no color, and it will give me that perfect glossy lip look. So finally makeup is done, and now we will add bindi and the jewelry. And now this is the final look. So this is how you achieve a trending makeup look, and this is the perfect makeup for the wedding season. And look at the glow, look at the shine on my face. It looks so fresh and dewy. I hope you really enjoyed and liked this video. So guys, keep supporting, keep watching my videos, and if you are new, go subscribe my channel first, and do not forget to like the video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in next one. Bye.